Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Blink indoor battery powered camera. This is a 3rd generation. So here's the actual camera. We do have a bunch of plastic. We got to get all this plastic off of it first. Okay, so it does come with 2 Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries, AA, a mount, even this is like a little tool and an extra mount, and 2 Phillips head screws. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little cover off. We can use this like a screwdriver. Take this, unscrew this, and we're going to put the batteries in first thing. Now you will be scanning that QR code to set it up in your phone. So on the right side, negative, positive, and just the opposite on your left side. There is a reset button there if we do need to reset it. Leave the cover off. That way we can scan that QR code. Now it is flashing red at us. Now this is an add-on camera, so you will need a Blink sync module. You can't just use the camera by itself. The camera talks to the sync module and the sync module talks to the internet, and that's how you communicate with it. So this is an add-on that if you already have a sync module, you can add it on to this sync module. Click the little plus button in the Blink app. Now we're going to install a wireless camera. Now it's going to ask you what sync module do you want to install this on. I have 2, so I'm going to install it on that one. Okay, keep your camera open and your phone close. It says it's looking for the camera. Now this is not a waterproof camera. It's wireless and it's for indoor use only. So it found the camera, now it's updating the firmware. Okay, click done. So here it is on the Blink app. It's got a really long name. Click the 3 little dots, go to General and rename it. Device settings, General settings, and now rename it. Now we can update the thumbnail, click the 3 little lines and hit refresh thumbnail. You can do this as much as you want, but you'd probably want to refresh it when you have it located. That way you know what it's pointing at. Okay, it's all installed now, it's working. We're going to put this on. That little cover goes over that micro USB. Take this, you want to screw this on now. You can put the little cover on. There is a spot. You can also just set it on, it does sit really nice. The bottom says Blink, so the speaker goes on the bottom and this, like the motion sensor goes on top. But if you want to mount it, you got to really push it onto that mount. There. So I could mount it on a wall. It does come with 2 screws. Again, lots of flexibility. This little tool here, I can also put it on the mount. The flat side goes towards the mount. There's a flat side, put that on the mount. And now I can do this, put them there. So now I can have it more, or that might help me if I wanted to set it, make sure it stood on the table. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.